everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you the inspection control on an IMEM elevator. So what we have here is we've got the control unit right there. Right now the elevator is on the inspection control. That's because this elevator is currently out of service and it needs a part. So anyway, it is serviced by RJ, as you can see on there. Used to be serviced by Independent, and we have the emergency stop button, also the controls for moving the elevator if Ben wants to surf it, then but he might get caught by security though. I'm not sure if he will. But yeah, to prove to you that he's currently out of service, you have a barrier right there. And also, iron. That needs changing. Only operating to level 2 and ground floor only. That'll need to be changed. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope that you've enjoyed it. And until next time, see you again very soon. Bye for now.